Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a zero point 0.5 fast line indent in Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to the fast line and click it. Then go to the paragraph settings option and go to tabs. Now we can see here said the default tab stops 0 0.5. You can change this, otherwise stable this. Now I select this and make 0 0.5. Then click OK. Now we want to create or see the indent. Press tab on our keyboard and we can see we created 0 0.5 fast line indent very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.